We are on
Yeah,
the
we're
record,
on the
looks like.
record.
We're on the record,
Looks
Your
like-
Honor.
You're the best. Thank you. First case is Discover Bank. Anybody here on Discover Bank? It's now 10:02. Mitchell, who's in charge of Discover Bank? Ah, here we go. Attorney Hughes, you're muted. We gotta unmute you, Attorney Hughes, and your picture is gone. You hit a bunch of wrong buttons.
He was briefly on, Your Honor.
I know. I see him there. It's just muted.
Counsel, you may want to just log on back on. Just restart it. We'll wait. The first one, there is one before him actually. It's
Okay.
and I do
Discover
see the
Bank?
plaintiff. It's actually Arzinger versus Rochelle Mincy.
All right. Who's here on that?
I am, Your Honor, Diane Arzinger.
Very good. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Who's on the other side, Mitchell?
I'm going to butcher this. Rochelle Mincy.
Anybody here for that person? Seeing no one. What's the status of this, Ms. Arzinger?
I believe Mr. Mincy is in psychiatric, 2 other cases against him. So I believe he is still instituted and not representing.
And what's your case about?
I had loaned him some money and he still has a balance of $56,000.
$56,000. All right. Mitchell, what's the status of the pleadings in this case?
This is, Your Honor, that they have closed, so we have a complaint, no answer. The defendant is not appearing, so they were defaulted for failure to appear. As of right now, they were. So we're at the judgment stage.
Terrific. Well, put her under oath, please.
Yes, Your Honor. So, ma'am, I'm going to ask you to please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear sincerely affirm that the information you shall give concerning this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God upon penalty of perjury.
Yes, I do.
Can you please state your first and last name again?
Diane Arzinger. On that, he was bankruptcy. He told me I was not part of the bankruptcy and payments would resume after that was concluded. That bankruptcy concluded in 2018 and I have not had contact with him in response. I have contacted him for the money and he does not respond.
He doesn't respond at all.
I received a text back from him that said, don't contact me again.
When was that?
That was, I don't have the exact date written down. I'm going to guess because I lost my phone. So I don't have that information, but I would say that was back in like 2019.
All right. So did you ever get bankruptcy papers showing that you were included?
I
No.
never got any kind of papers at all.
All right. Was there a note that he signed for this loan?
Yes, that is the exhibition 1 is our original agreement.
All right. And that, go ahead, tell me what it states.
It just states that I loaned him $60,000 and he would be paying $10,000 in interest. He did make some payments. Exhibit 2, you can see the amount of payments that he had given me and what is still to remain.
What's the present principal balance? How much does he owe you now?
$56,007.34.
Judgment will enter in that amount. Hold on one second. Hello? Say that again. Just get her number because I'm on the hearing, okay? Bye. Okay, we're busy here before the snowstorm. Okay, so judgment will enter in that amount. Do you want a just a judgment for the total amount, or do you want a weekly payment order also? All right, the court will order him to pay $35 a week, starting 1 month from today. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And if he does not, you'll have to find a lawyer or talk to somebody on how to enforce that judgment.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
And you as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good. Mitchell, what's next? Attorney Hughes, you there?
Yes,
There
Your
you
Honor, I am.
go.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear anything before, so I logged out and logged back in.
Perfect. Okay, what case do you have today? Discover Bank?
Yes, versus Dident or Dident.
All right.
Dident.
All right, counsel, identify himself for the record.
Attorney Kevin Hughes of Stillman Law for the plaintiff, Discover Bank.
All right, and that's docket number 23-502-3151. Arzinger, no, that's not the one. It's Discover Bank versus Didente. Anybody here for Mr. Didente? And hearing no one. All right, what's the claim, Attorney Hughes?
This was the default on a credit card, Your Honor. The only thing I bring to the court's attention is that he was defaulted for failure to answer, and then he did file an answer. I mean, that was back in August, so finally
So we should have a hearing in damages. That's what you have to do.
Yeah, and I believe that's what this is on for today, but I didn't know if,
Well, we'll find
seeing
out.
when he filed his answer after the default for failure to answer, I didn't know if the court was going to allow him to cure it. That's why I was hoping
no,
he'd be here
no
today.
problem. We're going to go forward today with a hearing in damages. So,
Okay, just wanted to be careful.
all right, very good. All right, tell me, is there, you have, what do you have for damages?
The principal amount is $11,959.62. Our costs were $460.80. That's the $360 filing fee, plus service costs were $100.80. The amount we're seeking today is $12,420.42.
Perfect. Joshua will enter in that amount, payment to be made at the rate of $35 a week, starting 1 month from today.
Thank you very much.
Have a great weekend. Stay out of the snow. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Bye-bye.